Hey guys, I am here with Sergio and Eddie from Ford. Sergio, say hi.
What's up, guys?
And we have just been given the amazing prototype for the NACS to CCS adapter from Ford. So here we are, first unboxing, one of the special folks that had the privilege of checking these out today. So I couldn't be more excited about this. You see it's got a little note here from Jim Farley, a great Ford logo here to unwrap it. We're gonna take this, give it a test right here at this Supercharger station, and we'll let you know how it goes. More to come.